The next option in Master View is Handout Master option. That in this section you can determine the way of printing your slides. Any settings that you regulate here, your slides will be printed by these settings. And for changing the settings of these, you should go to Handout Master section. In the Orientation section, as you can determine the direction of your slides for print, you can determine that it be horizontal or vertical. By the help of slide size option, you can determine the size of slide to be 4:3 or 16:9, and in the slides per page you can determine that a page contains how many slides, 2 and 1, or even it can put 9 slides in a page and print it for you. If you don't want a header, you can delete the tick here. Also, you can do the same if you don't want the date, page number, and footer. You can decide the date remains or not. And then if you want to exit, click on Close Master View, and then by the help of Note Master option, you can determine the layout when you want to print your slide with its notes. You have access to different options. For example, the Note Page Orientation option is for the direction of your slides. You can determine that it will be horizontal or vertical. Determine the size. Do you want a header, slide image, footer, date, body, and page number be in your slide or not? And you can also determine the effects, themes, fonts, and color. This would be a good option when you want to print your slides with its note. And in the View tab and the Note Master, you can regulate the related settings here and customize the way of printing slides with notes. And if you want to close, click on Close Master View.